It's a new day, it's a new week, it's a beginning here. As you can see that today is 10th of May and this is near about the 7:23. It's the time is Indian time, and we'll have the short analysis of the index, right? Especially in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. And just to give you a flashback of the previous videos that I had already made for you, and that was I was going through saying that as the here you can see the daily chart of the Nifty right here. As you can see, the high Nifty is making the higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low pattern elsewhere, and continuously it was trying to take the support elsewhere here. That was 14,550, and 700 was the major support impact, but it also played somewhere else 14,600 and 650 around. So this was the place where it was trying to take this support, right? Okay, and for the last few days, you're able to observe the market is trying to open gap up. In fact, the sentiment is globally good, but the Indian sentiment we are able to see just because of the corona and all that. We have a lot of issues. The trying market is trying to ignore all those things and taking its a higher position on the higher side. But it is not sustaining on the top of it. If you are able to see, generally market is opening up gap up, then there is a like a profit booking, then late consolidations, then again it generally closes above, otherwise market remains consolidating till the end of the day, right? So today, last time also I had said that market is going to open gap up on Monday, and exactly that is happening. You are able to see the SGX Nifty is showing you somewhere else 100 point plus. That means the Nifty is going to open elsewhere 14,950 to 60. That is what I am able to see the level, right? But the thing is that whether it is going to sustain there or not, that's a big questions. For me, I don't really see today very drastic, like a profit booking, because this Friday itself there were so many traders, especially retail traders, have not really taken the positions, like in the long side. It's because there is a lot of confusion, taking the consideration of the news sentiments and all other things, and generally Saturday and Sunday makes the things a little bit chaos, right? So keeping in mind, I don't really see that today there will be very sharp, profit booking, but definitely there will be profit booking as soon as market opens up. Otherwise, after half an hour, whatever maybe, we'll see, but in short period of time. But I am able to see ultimately the market is not going to make very big violent move for some time, but there is a chances that we may see also the upper side even today. Otherwise, market is going to be a range bound. That is what my overall view on the Nifty. Well, so Nifty, what we are going to see for this week, right? Where shall we see the support and resistance and all that? If you notice that market, especially in the last week, the index, the volatility has fallen down and it has reached 20.82, right? That means it shows that from there again the Nifty has the capability to move upper or lower side at least 400 to 500 points. That is what we are able to see in the Nifty. So for me, as we are able to see, the market is going to open elsewhere as 14,950. So market will try to touch today even 15,000. That is my views and understanding. Remember, because as I have drawn over here, resistance points that 14,900, right? So market is going to open above this, so there is no chance that it is going to get resistance there. But let us see how long it sustains above 14,900. That is a key point over here. And upper side, what I am seeing, Nifty is going to face the big resistance 15,250 for this week. I am talking about. Remember, so today I am not really seeing that market will go to that level. And the lower side, you will have the big support for the week 14,400 to 14,450. But before that, there is support. I call it 14,650 is going to be a very crucial support for the Nifty. That is, and this is the Nifty analysis, right? And let us see in the 15 minutes of chart where we can do today, right? As I have rightly said, so this will be the zone here, right? If the market is trying to take the support 14,850 above, remember you can take a short call on that, because if it sustains over here for the more than 30 minutes, definitely market will close even like a positive move even today. So that is what and then that is the Nifty analysis. Now, Bank Nifty, what it says in the daily chart, let us see. Bank Nifty has something different analysis over here, we can say. So for the last many days, Bank Nifty is facing like lot of resistance here in 33,000. This is the zone. It is facing 33,500, I would say. So today it may try to reach up to that level, but I don't really see that there will be a very sharp move towards the upside, because it has been underperforming for the last many weeks, right? So this is last week. If you see, the Bank Nifty also is trying to take the upper side move, but the thing is, it's not sustaining on the top of like its level. So what is the main support for it and the resistance for the Bank Nifty? We can see the Bank Nifty will have like 33,500 to 34,000 will be a big resistance for the Bank Nifty, whereas 32,300 and 31,800 will be a support, major support for the week. Remember, why I'm giving a big range here? Because the Bank Nifty makes of late as a very big move of 1,000 points. Sometime it was more than 500 points, so that is the major, right? But for the day where we will find the support, 32,950 will be a support for you. If Bank Nifty comes near about here and takes the supports with a good price action, you can talk on the upper side. But if it breaks this level, remember 32,850, this will be the zone. 33, yeah, 32,850 and 60, then it is going to make a big fall even this side, that is, which I don't really see today, especially. I don't really see it today, especially because the FI's data also is there. I can just tell you that FI's data is saying that in derivative, their index futures they are long with the 29,485. At the same time, they are short trade. They have a position 25,860, and if you see the net position is long, but long position they have increased here in the index future, and which is a good sign for the the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Index call option, if you see there, you will find the 9,41,134 they have gone long, whereas 9,57,569 they have gone short, right? So long position they have decreased in the index call options. That means in the upper side there will be a particular range. From there, there will be a very sharp profit booking also. Whereas let us see and understand the index put option. What is the positions? And that is 9,36,028. That is long trade they have position. Whereas 9,42,181 they have gone short. That means long position again they have decreased here. So this is not good sign that I have. That means again the market is going to be a volatile to a particular range, right? Whereas in the stock futures they have gone long trade 15 lakh 8,678, whereas short trade they have position 1 lakh 62,196. That means net position you will find the short. So net position is showing mostly short, and the long position they have again decreased here. That means I see the index is going to be volatile even this week with the 500 to 400 points, especially in the Nifty, whereas my Nifty can make really any move even more than 1500 to 1000 point can also be seen, the either of the sides making the movement, right? So that is my understanding in the Bank Nifty and Nifty as I've seen as weekly. But for today, I has given in the where the buying zone will be there for you. That is already mentioned for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see how does it work. Remember, today we are going to open the gap up over there, but I don't really see that you should immediately take the position either of the side. So just look at the like a price action for some time, and that can be seen in half an hour and 1 hour chart that will tell you which side is going to make a, like a swing positions. That is my understanding for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, that's all about it for the day. And let us say in between, if I get any updates, and if I'm able to update you, I will update you during the market hour as well. Thank you so very much.